If I told you that every rep you lift, every drop of sweat you shed, unlocks a hidden power within your body, an intricate process so fascinating it borders on magic? But how exactly do muscles grow? And why does it feel like chasing a mystery? Let's unravel this enigma together, piece by piece. Because what's happening inside you is more incredible than you could ever imagine. But first, ask yourself, are you training for strength or growth? Your muscles grow through a process called hypertrophy. But it's not as simple as lifting weights and hoping for the best. The journey begins the moment you push your limits. Each time you lift, you're causing tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Sounds destructive, right? But here's the twist, this destruction isn't the end. It's the beginning. What happens next will change the way you see your body forever. As you rest, your body's repair system kicks into overdrive. Specialized cells, known as satellite cells, fuse to your damaged fibers, making them stronger, thicker, and more resilient. This isn't just repair, it's evolution happening inside you. But what happens if you don't rest? Or worse, if you don't eat enough protein? The answer? Your progress stalls. Your potential wasted. But when you fuel your body, protein, hydration, sleep, you create the perfect storm for growth. And when you hit the gym again, those muscles, stronger than ever, are ready for the next challenge. Here's the kicker, this process doesn't just change your body. It changes your mind. But why? Stick with me for the final truth. Every time you grow stronger, your brain learns resilience. Your spirit learns discipline. That's the secret, it's never just about muscles. It's about transforming you. Every set, every rep, is a step toward becoming the person you've always dreamed of being. Stronger, healthier, unstoppable. And speaking of unstoppable abilities, did you know dogs have a sense of smell so powerful, it's up to 100,000 times stronger than ours? Curious to learn how this works? Click now to unlock the next mystery. Right arrow, watch next. Did you know? Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell.